Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be discussing this LRDA set which is based on Sudoku, and it's a very easy set. Let's quickly go through this set. So it says in the 5x5 grid given below, few spaces are left empty which have to be filled using the following set of rules. Okay, so the first rule says number should be a single digit number. Okay, so it should be between 1 to 9. Okay, I guess they should have mentioned this कि 0 नहीं use करना है, but since they have not mentioned, I am telling you should be between 1 to 9. Now, no cell remains empty. That is your rule number 2. Rule number 3 is same number cannot be repeated in the respective row or column. Fine. Rule number 4, the last row says in any row the number on the left should be greater than the number on the right. ठीक है. So now, further यहाँ भी नीचे कुछ दिया. It says each cell is identified by a name that starts with row followed by a column. For example, the last cell is denoted by E5. Okay, so this cell is nothing but E row and fifth column, so I can say E5. ठीक है. So that is how you do the nomenclature of the cells. Now let's try solving this quickly. So if you observe here row B, this number is 5 and the numbers on the right should be less than 5, so I can say there's only one possibility, that is 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now this row C3, if you observe the cell C3, it is 6, so on the right of this it should be smaller than 6. Can I take 4 here? No. Why? Because 4 is repeating the same column, so 4 is not possible. If I take 3 here, I'll get 2 here, so this 2 and this 2, same column, 2 numbers are not possible, so again this case is also ruled out. If I take 2 here, that is again not possible, same numbers, right? So the only possibility is nothing but 5 and 4. Now less than 4, D4, if you observe the cell D4, less than 4, there are only one possibility, 3. Why? Because 2 and 1 have already been used in the column 5, so I can say only 3 is possible. Now further, now if you observe row C and C1 cell, can I start with 9 here? No, because number on the left of 6 has to be greater than 6, right? इसके जो left में numbers है, this इसके left में जो numbers हैं, this cell and this cell, whichever numbers come, they have to be greater than 6. But I cannot have 9 here. Why? Because 9 is already present in column 1. So I can say the only possibility is 8. And if this is 8, this has to be 7. ठीक है? So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now this one, I cannot start D1. I cannot start with 9. I cannot start with 8. So only possibility is nothing but 7. If I start with 7, I'll get here 6 and 5 and then 4 and 3. So now if I go to the first cell, अगर मैं A1 पे जाता हूँ, ठीक है, I'll remove this 9 and 8. If I go to A1, what are the possibilities? Let's see. I cannot start with 9, I cannot start with 8, 7. 8, 7, 6 से start कर सकता हूँ मैं. If I start with 6, 6, 5, 4 and 3 and 2 is already there, so that is definitely possible. Just give me a minute. Yeah, so this is nothing but 4. Now for the last row, the only possibility, let's say 9 के बाद 7 I cannot start because 7 is already here, 6 is also here, 5 is also here, so only possibility is nothing but 8, 7, 6 and 5, and that is your complete grid. And now any kind of questions can be framed based on this grid. Maybe they'll ask you what are the number of odd numbers used in the entire grid. कुछ भी questions बन सकते हैं. So the important thing is how to complete the grid. So that is important. So always look for the first number की कहाँ से start करना चाहिए. If you start correct, then you will be easily able to complete the grid. Thank you everybody. If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section, and you can like and share the video. Thank you.